Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Did you know underneath of this car seat there are two things. First is a subwoofer, and there's a huge air condition outlet duct vent here. There you go. A big hole here, and rubbish tends to fall into it and stuck this duct vent. So I bought this vent cover, or you call duct vent cover or grill trim online. You can buy it online simply. It's not something too expensive. It's not pricey at all. It's plastic, but it's very useful. So I bought it online and just cover it here. All you need to do is just lift it up. One finger, push it up gently and push it in. Now you may remove the double-sided tape and then you push it in and tape it in, right? There are two, one on the left, the other on the right. So this is the one on the left hand side, and the one on the right hand side is the same as this one. So it actually prevent big pieces of garbage fell into the duct vent. I hope this video helps you, and remember subscribe to my channel and appreciate a thumbs up. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.